Zai, what you cooking?
Yeah. You know, GMM shit, you know. Real shit, you know what I mean?
I got them like, what? Nigga, I ain't see this coming. Man, I'm living to die, so all my life I can't be scared of nothing. I stay low-key, best believe I'm always up to something. Plus, I'm making troll on you. Don't make me push the button. Cheese my only topic. We ain't talking that, then why we talking? I see sucker shit too often. Them wins gon' feel hella good. Lord knows I took a few losses. You a black man in America, then you automatically a target. That pistol for precaution. Tell these fuck niggas take caution. I stayed down till I came up, switching motivation, 1G Nate dog, nigga really get it regulating, Fake mix with the real nigga, every means separation, Money to be made, so my best interest, I gotta make it. I grew up poor. Lord knows I can't be making these poor decisions. Change on the game, what kind of dope these niggas really sniffing? Can't tell that they bad for business. I'm ducking graveyard, ducking prisons. I can't be making rash decisions. I can't be fucking up the vision. Can't tell that I'm built different. Yeah, that's a big difference. None stays the same, so be prepared when shit starts switching. GMM ties, no lie. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention I'm Randy Moss with the route. Touchdown, I can go the distance. I was on this with my uncles in Dunbar, Dave Melanie. This ain't no secret, I'ma let them see. This long, hard is longevity. I'm like, what else do you expect from me? Hell yeah, I got a recipe, and I'm a volunteer to kill the shit, nigga. I ain't even from Tennessee. My dream man was to hit a lick, break it down, give my niggas 10 apiece. I'm Pee-wee with the energy. Real all they gon' get from me. I'm like, what you expect? Backwood after backwood to get rid of the stress. Consider me anything, consider me blessed. Bullshit, I got time for that. Got them like, I ain't even see this coming. Man, I'm living to die, so all my life I can't be scared of nothing. I stay low-key, best believe I'm always up to something. Plus I'm in control on you hoes to make me push the button.
Yeah. And it's a rap, nigga. Yeah. Hold on. GMM Nation, man, whatever you wanna call it. Whoa.